Alright. Reading through these comments, it's clear you guys have a lot of questions about just what the heck we've been building the last few months, and this video is meant to explain that. But let me start at the beginning.
First, the Earth cooled, and then the dinosaurs came. But they got too big and fat, so they all died, and they turned into oil. And then the Arabs came, and they bought Mercedes-Benzes. And Prince Charles started wearing all of Lady Di's clothes.
Okay, fair enough. So, a while back, Ryan convinced me to buy this lathe. Yeah, I know. What a mess. But it turned out to be a great idea. Months later, and a lot of hours of work, we got this. A lathe that would normally be way out of our price range. That's also when a lot of you guys started watching, so thanks for that, by the way. But some parts of the lathe weren't quite right. The bedways, these things, need to be really flat, and on this well-used lathe, they weren't. It's an easy fix. We'll just scrape the ways.
Past me. It's about the ways. You can't scrape them.
Many comments later, and yeah, we're not gonna scrape the ways. So the next logical step is to send this thing out to get ground. This involves some serious and specialized equipment. So specialized, in fact, that there turns out to be only a handful of places in the US that can do it.
One convenient locations.
Remember that whole out of our price range thing? Yeah, this wasn't an option either. So this is where things get interesting. Why not just build this serious and specialized equipment?
Because you don't know what you're doing.
Okay, fair point. So instead we're gonna try and build a mini version of a full-size surface grinder.
3 times bigger than this.
He's absolutely right.
No plans, no finite analysis, no real clue of what we're doing.
I have a vision.
Now this is where things get a little complicated. See, we don't really need a lathe-sized surface grinder taking up precious garage space once the lathe ways are ground flat. But what we do need is a much more capable CNC machine, like this one. So here's the challenge. Can we build a capable CNC machine that can also grind the ways of the lathe? That's a good question, and all I can say on that is that we intend to find out. Luckily, we're not doing it alone. We have your help. Your comments have really helped us get us this far, and your Patreon donations have helped keep the lights on, so maybe stick around and see how far we get. People are so mean on the internet.